Go get the puppy. Get the puppy. Come on. Oh my gosh, you crawled! Yay! Oh, baby, I'm so proud of you. Okay, go get it over there. No, leave it there so Rylan can crawl to it, okay? Go get it. Go get it. I'm so proud of you. You taking your puppy back?